Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. So, just coming part exchange this nice little car, Peugeot partner Tepee 1.6 HDI. It's an S EGC start-stop automatic. So partner Tepee, based on a Peugeot partner van. This has done 130,000 miles, but it has a fantastic service history. I mean, extremely detailed service history on a spreadsheet with all the bills since the last owners had it at 150,000 miles, including its 10 services and other maintenance work, all detailed on a spreadsheet, including the cam belt at 91,000 miles. Has a brink removable tow bar and rear park sensors. Last serviced a month ago. Very nice thing, drives really well. He replaced the alloy wheels because the wheel trims had gone tatty. It's got proper Michelin tyres on. Those wheels are only 6 months old. It's got 2 keys with it. It's been cherished, this vehicle, really looked after it. £3,695, 2012 Tepee 1.6 diesel auto. Got fitted mats, super clean inside, front armrests on the seats, paddle change on the automatic gearbox, electric windows, electric mirrors, central locking, fitted rubber mats, sliding rear doors, lovely and clean, got fitted mats in the back. Brink tow bar and keys with the vehicle. I think the tow bar's in the load area, I'll show you. Parcel shelves there with a number plate for your trailer. There is the Brink tow bar, hardly being used. As I say, it's got rear park sensors, drives very nicely. £3,695, very practical vehicle. Michelin Primacy tyres on new alloy wheels. £130,258 miles. Start stop this vehicle is, you can turn the start stop off, eco off. Electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic gearbox, front armrests, remote central locking alarm, 2 keys, got the keys for the tow bar. £3,695. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with nearly 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to Barclay Motor Company 5243, our YouTube channel, you will be one of the first people in the country to know every time we have a fresh vehicle come into our stock, because you will get a little notification to your iPad, phone or tablet. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.